All right, guys, 2017 Dodge Challenger V6. This is his third car that he's done with us. We really appreciate his business. We hooked him up. So what did we do on it? Factory converters there. Then this AC is very, very hot, so make sure you guys stay away from that. X-pipe there, factory. Then we put two DYNOMAX race bullets, part number 24215, right there and there. Link in the description. Then 2 1/4 pipe, and we completed it with 2 1/4 rear resonator bleed there and there. There's the 2 resonators in the back that come on those. There's the mids that come on those right there. So we deleted all that and put some bullets in their place. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Boom. That's perfect. Yep. That's what I love about the bullets. They sound perfect. That's clean. That's really clean. Your sound decibels. What do you think? Thumbs up? Yes, sir. Go ahead and back it up. It's clean, you know? No rasp whatsoever. Oh, this sounds so good. If you guys don't want any rasp, go with the DYNOMAX race bullets, the parts I gave you. There'll be a link in the description for it. That sounds phenomenal. You guys gotta admit, that sounds really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. '17 Challenger DYNOMAX race bullets. Perfect. Oh yeah, I like that.